if this seems like a little shaky, it's oh no, it is because I am outside of my house, and I have this new little table. Also not new, it's just never used on the YouTube video. So I'm going to be making slime. So what you'll need: glue, a bowl, a spoon, laundry detergent is which I'm holding my phone up with, and you could use color. Yeah? Food coloring if you want to make it fluffy, and food coloring if you want to make it a color, or yeah, food coloring, food dye, anything that's food related, and you could it has color in it. No, or laundry detergent. Just use laundry detergent, and if you want to make it fluffy, obviously shaving cream or foaming soda. So first, what you're gonna start is pouring it in here. I did add a lot of water because I had like 8 glue bottles because I was helping my teacher. Me and my friend helped my teacher. My friend didn't get any. So first, just dump it all as much as you probably can. Oh, a lot of it came out.
Keep sitting on that bench, okay? And then when a black widow bites you, don't come over here and tell me.
So I'm just mixing it right here now. It's not like slime what I like ready. And it's sort of hard because it's been in our classroom. And nobody pays attention in class. We do pay attention, it's just we really don't use glue. These I'm grabbing, well, you guys can't see. Just because now I'm using my laundry detergent. So we'll just do like, we'll keep it like perfect. So now what we're gonna do is just pour until you feel like it's enough. You can keep pouring slowly. As you can see, I put drop and then just mix. I'm mixing it up. The water is all I'm gonna do is just make more of the glue and stuff like that. You guys can't really see me. Oh my god. I got much better. Now I can. Alright. So look at me. So yeah. We'll mix the rest right now. I let it sit usually for about 5 minutes. 5 good minutes. So yeah. So we're it's been like 5. No, it hasn't. It's been like 2 minutes. And my phone will start. Well, the other phone will start beeping in like a couple of minutes. 3 minutes and 18 seconds. Round we go. I suppose you're probably bored. Hey now guys, it's been 5 fast and good minutes. I'm gonna put you up here so you guys can see. God. So it's forming it. Just needs more laundry detergent. So I'm gonna add a little bit. We're gonna put you guys over here right now. Pop. So there it is, guys. I moved you guys back up there, and we're just going to start mixing now again. The reason I need to leave it out for a little bit is because of it just makes it way easier to mix after. Don't need it yet. You could regularly. I'm just pushing it down and not needing it. You'll see how it looks at the end. And I do not like to mix with my hands or add more laundry detergent after it forms slime, or add more laundry detergent after it forms slime because it just makes it more, what is it called? What's that word? Like less sticky. And sometimes people do like it sticky, so I really do like it sticky whenever I take it to school. It's not because it hasn't been in a container. So yeah, I'm trying to still see if I can add any more glue. I still am able to, so we're just gonna keep this folding. Just put this like backwards a bit. Put that right there. So as I could see, I'm scraping off the sides, and I want you guys to comment down below. I want you guys to comment down below if you guys like this new setup outside here in my backyard, or if you guys like it better when I just carried it places. But I feel like you guys are gonna like the back outdoor set because it is way cuter than it used to look, and I have a table now, and it's just cuter. Yeah, yeah. So now we're just gonna continue mixing, and as you've seen, it gets bubbly after a while because if you don't touch it, after you obviously knead it with your hands and it gets so sticky. Well, after you knead it with your hands and it gets so sticky, obviously it doesn't form bubbles because unless you have laundry detergent in the bag with it. To be honest, you guys, I thought I was gonna make like this whole bowl of slime, but I am going to Hawaii this summer, so I feel like if there's not that many people in Hawaii probably that know about glue that I know, so perfect. There you go. So I'll probably see if I can make a bunch over there. Probably will be able to. If not, that sucks. But if I am able to, I'm going in the summer, so I am going to be posting a lot of YouTube videos over there. So if you guys really like to know where I'm going to be at, Honolulu, Hawaii. So yeah, and another fact about slime is if you're like, oh my god, it's not sticky, I want it to be so sticky. What you need to do is leave it in hot water for like 2 full days, and like after that it will just for sure ever now stay like that. Like it'll stay sticky that way, like that's sticky. So as you can see, wow, now it's really stuck to the stuff. So we're just gonna keep it right here, and I'm putting this back over here where it was. And put like some just so I can see. Don't add any more glue to when you think like, oh my god, it needs to be more sticky. Do not add glue anymore. I'm like telling you guys that because some people are like, oh, it needs glue, so they add glue, but it really doesn't. You just need to put it in hot water. The reason I know this is because I made some with glitter glue, and I made it the exact same way. And comment down below if you guys really like me doing these slime videos, because if you do, I will just do very many slime videos. So yeah, just tell me if you guys really like them. If you don't, then just comment no. And if you do like this place but you don't like the slime, just be like, I do like this setup but I do not like your place. And it's not always going to be facing down, it's going to be facing me sometime. So what I'm doing is really, you guys know, you guys are seeing, is this is the slime. It looks like a way prettier blue on camera than it is out, really, but it's still pretty blue. I will show some people I'll probably just post a full video of just pictures of it, just so you guys can see, and a little video of me talking about some slime facts. And another thing I forgot who I was telling this, and I wasn't telling to anyone at my school. I don't know, I could have. If you go to the store and you're like, oh my god, my daughter or my son, or I need glue. If you're a parent, you're like, oh, they need glue. Or if you're just like a kid, you're like, I need glue. Don't wait for like 2 full days. Be like, oh yeah, really nobody's gonna get glue. No, everybody's making slime now, so it's gonna be way faster, way easier process instead of waiting there for like 2 whole like days like being like, oh yeah, it's still gonna be there when I go back to the store. Like, no, if you're at a place where like really they don't sell glue, or like they do sell glue but it's all out of stock, and you'll probably know why if you watch this video, because people are making slime with it. So now I'm still touching it. This wasn't facing backwards because I wanted all the glue to go to the top just so it comes faster down to the bottom. Oh Lord, no, it's, oh. But what I like is playing with it right when it comes out. After it comes out, not really. Actually, I still do like playing with slime no matter what. I am just kneading it with my hands now. It's really sticky. And that's okay though. And once you get it dirty, it really won't go away. But like, it will as long as you knead it enough. See, I like it this sticky, like where it comes off your hands right away. But one thing where it won't come off of is if you leave it. The reason I'm kneading it is because the spoon's down there because I'm tired of holding it. So I'm just gonna put the glue like that there, just so I don't have to hold it and talk to you guys. The reason that I like, what was I saying again? The reason I like it this sticky is because, you know, it won't stick to your hands. But if you leave it on your clothes, just like, you're like, oh yeah. You're talking to somebody, you're like, oh yeah. And then you're like, oh, I'm gonna take it off. You're like, oh wait, so, and you're like, oh yeah. And then you're just talking to them. It's going to stick to your clothes, so don't leave it on there for a long time, because it will end up sticking. So what I'm just doing here is this. I'm just playing with it all over my body, my hands, and my arms. It's really fun to play with. So yeah. So this glue is taking forever. And I told myself before, I was like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna cut the glue bottles. And that didn't happen. So yeah, this is how I made slime. It looks way prettier on camera. I really wish that's how it looked in real life. I know. My shirt looks way different I think it's because of the lighting on camera. Like the lighting on camera, you're like, oh yeah, it's gonna look exactly the same. But it's because your camera has more lighting before you start than after you start. So yeah. So make sure you're in a place where it has like too much lighting, like your phone has a lot of lighting. It just looks horrible, just so you know you have the correct lighting. Or if you want, you could just go in the darkest place in your house, and if you have like those circles, like really good YouTubers, you know, you have those circle things that's like a little lamp thing that YouTubers use. And the reason they use that is because it just gives them enough light, like your regular light in your room. It'll give you a little bit either less or more. If you're using a light that turns on and off, it probably works way better because it just goes on and off and on and off and on and off. Okay, now it's getting less sticky. When you play with it a lot, it just gets less sticky. I should probably have a slime collection, and then at the end of 2017, just show you all my slimes. I should probably do that. Wow, a lot of glue's coming out, so I'm just gonna keep it where it was. So I want to make a really cute stress ball like Karina Garcia did, but I just don't have like the fishnet. Even if I can make a tiny one, like even if I was able to make like the size of this one, it would still be really like, if I only had like this slime made, it would still look really cute and stuff because it's tiny. Like the tiny stuff is so cute. Or like just like a like, I don't know if you guys seen those emojis with like stuff inside, or it's like a ball that you have to push hard on, like those like, and like you just slowly put it in like that, and you just like, and it goes like that, and it like does stuff up. Yeah. So I'm just gonna do that. Well, I'm waiting for a lot of this glue to come out, but it's not working. Some glue. Oh, dang it! Oh, it was sticking to me. See, because I went like this right now, so do the demonstration. what to do. So if you're talking to someone, you're like, yeah, don't be like, don't do that because it's obviously going to sting more. So just slowly like take it off, and only like this much will be stuck on you, and that's easy to come off. If you can't take it off, just go down and put some what it was made with. Do not put glue, just make it stickier. So just put laundry detergent or shaving cream. Shaving cream will just make your pants like really weird, but yeah. I was at my tia's house and we made some, and it was really cool, but it was fluffy slime, and we used borax, and then after that we ended up just being crazy because her daughter put some counter, her name's Violet, she put some shaving cream on the counter and she just started putting her hands in it, and so yeah, so we just started doing that, and it was really crazy because it got on, her daughter said it looked like unicorn poop, so it was just really crazy to do and fun. And also another, well, I was about to put it on my shirt. See, after when you have no place to put it, you're like, my pants are fine. Oh. So I'm just going to move you guys down here for now. And you guys are going, oh, actually, it's fine. Let's just go right there. It's slowly going to fly. You know that for sure. If I, like, literally get up, it's going to, no, it was stuck to me. It was stuck to me. Oh, my God, it was stuck to me the whole time. Oh, my God, it was stuck to me. How did I not know that? Oh my God, you guys, this is so... My foot fell asleep too. Ah! I'm just gonna put the glue bottle there like this. Perfect. So, oh, but I need the glue bottle. Oh, perfect plate. So I'm gonna put you guys right there. And we're gonna put the glue right here. I mean the slime right on my hand. So an easier way too is just to grab some of your laundry detergent like I'm doing here. And just do this. Don't do a lot of it, just do very little, like that. What? And then there. Wait, hold on. Pause. Not pausing. Oh my God! Okay. So now, you can put your glue away. You can still use it if you need. And now I'm starting getting like sticky and watery now because my hands have so much detergent on it. But that's fine. If I was not doing a YouTube video at this moment, I would have probably,